Hi everyone, this is episode 1 of my travel nurse therapy. I have created this playlist within my YouTube channel to help you navigate your nursing career. If you're already working as a registered nurse or you're a nursing student and you're studying for the NCLEX exam, either way, you're going to find a treasure trove of do-it-yourself information on this playlist. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow this playlist. This episode of my travel nurse therapy is about how to make more money as nurse. Guys, I just found this out while reading the American Nurses Association, which publishes a yearly report on nursing trends and salary. And here's what they have to say. More than 4,500 nurses participated in a survey, and 39% of these nurses earned between $80,000 and $139,000 per year. If you're wondering how you can increase your pay as a registered nurse, here's what you need to know. The highest earners of registered nurses were able to increase their income by jumping from one hospital to the next. If you are willing to become a travel nurse and don't mind traveling from one hospital to the next, then this job is for you. For foreign-educated nurses who are living outside the United States, you can make this a reality by first applying for an NCLEX exam in a state of your choice. If you don't know where to begin, I highly recommend you start checking out a bunch of information at a website called applyready.com. You can find all the information about NCLEX application on this site. I also want to mention that I have several videos that cover this topic. The videos are in another playlist called How to Apply for NCLEX. So check it out. Anyways, if you want to increase your salary working as a registered nurse in the United States, then become a traveling nurse. Let me explain. I do a lot of research on this subject. I study the Bureau of Labor Statistics data, or BLS data in short. What I do is analyze all the information that's out there, and you might be surprised. The BLS data shows that there are huge income differences of registered nurses across the United States. As an example, an average income for nurses in North Carolina is between $60,000 to $75,000, while the same occupation in New York is between $110,000 to $150,000. Working as traveling nurse can truly maximize your income potential if you are willing to be on the road. Hospitals that are experiencing shortage in nurses provide a signing bonus ranging from $25,000 to $35,000. If you are an international nurse or foreign-educated nurse, you will need to apply for NCLEX to be able to work as nurse in the U.S. Check out my other videos if you're interested. The videos are in my playlist called How to Apply for NCLEX. Another way you can maximize your pay is to look around for the best compensation. You don't have to wait for your boss to give you a raise. Job hopping is one avenue you can explore to find a better offer, even if it means traveling constantly. No matter the route, you will be surprised to discover that there are better incentives if you are open to becoming a traveling nurse. According to the website applyready.com, registered nurses who are traveling nurses make big money. They are able to pay off their student loans and cover their living expenses. their income can keep up with the rising inflation and the increasing cost of gas and food prices. Here's another way you can have a high-paying registered nurse job. You can specialize on in-demand nursing skill. Here's one important point to remember. Not all registered nurse occupations are the same. There's a big salary discrepancy between a registered nurse and a skilled nurse. In my personal experience, this is so true. I have an all-nurses family, and my mother, an older sister, 2 aunts, a niece, and several friends are all registered nurses in the U.S. Over the years, I have learned the trade secrets via combined experiences. If you possess 1 or 2 skills, you have an advantage. Use this advantage as a bargaining power in negotiating your salary. My YouTube channel covers various topics about traveling nurses as well as how to make more money as a nurse. If you are a foreign-educated international nurse and would like to work as traveling nurse in the U.S., your first step is to apply for NCLEX. Watch my videos on a separate playlist called How to Apply for NCLEX. So, are you ready to become a traveling nurse? I'm putting out more videos on the perks and benefits of working as a travel nurse. Check out the videos on this playlist, and you will be amazed how much information you can learn from this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, or follow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on my YouTube channel.